Georgia.
Bailey, are you a kitty? So you're kitty kitty.
Deputy Rankin is following the driver.
Bailey.
I really thought he was DUI.
Well, turn around here.
He was kind of right driving.
Bailey, we can hear you meow.
With the police video camera on in the patrol car,
Bailey, come here. Kitty, 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 kitty. Okay, but come here.
Lean into the driver's
Come here. Come on, yeah, come on.
Like most people do, but he just opened the door.
Come here. Here. I can't even say it now. Come here. Kitty, 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 kitty. Bailey, come here and look this way. Come on. Come on.
We call it breaking 12.
Come here, Bailey. Come here.
I just heard
Bailey. Yeah.
and a chill.
I can hear you meow.
And I knew something was wrong.
So here, kitty, kitty. You do a better meow than a kitty does. Yeah, kitty, kitty, kitty.
The gunman tries to grab the officer's gun, but Rankin isn't giving up.
Bailey, turn around here.
It felt like a jolt, like a rush.
Turn around. Come here. Come here.
Runs to his car.
Come here. Yeah, come on. Bye-bye. What are you saying bye-bye? You going to go someplace? Huh? Are you going to go someplace? Hello. Hi. Bye-bye. Hi. You about ready to go night-night? Touchdown, yeah. Touchdown. Okay, my goodness. Well, yeah. Show everybody how loud you get. Bailey. Whew. Yeah. Is that your innocent pose? Say, I don't know. Bye-bye. I don't know. Bailey.
What you doing? Hello. Hello.
Touchdown.
Yay. Yay.
Bye-bye. Can you say night-night? Touchdown, yeah. You don't want to go night-night, do you? Hello. Night-night. Say night-night. Bailey. Bailey. Hi. Are you about ready to go night-night? Huh? Are you about ready to go night-night? Say, I don't know. I don't know. Okay.
Jingle bell.
Are you? Can you sing? Huh?
Jingle bell.
Jingle bells.
Jingle bells. Jingle bells. Jingle all the way.
That's Tasha over there making that noise now. Hi. Well, good night. Hello. Good night.